Yo, hello traders, it's your one and only skill coach Tim Legend, and I'm super excited having you guys here today on this. So today in this video, I'll be making withdrawal from my Exness account. For those of you who probably have been wondering if the BB Gold miner has actually been doing a good job, if the money is real, is it withdrawable, you're going to see it live on this video today. And on the other hand, you're also going to use it to learn how to make withdrawals from your Exness account. Before we get started, if this is your first time on my channel, you want to do me a little favor, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anything that I post in this channel. Do you want to learn how to make money from trading in the Forex market, even without lifting a finger? This is where you want to be. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment if you have a question, and I will give you an instant reply. So right now I'm going to click on withdraw. This is one of my trading accounts which I currently have running. I'm going to click on withdraw right now. So I can withdraw directly to my bank account, and I can withdraw from any of these platforms. Most of the time I usually love to use Skrill. But for today, for this video, I want to show you how it's going to get into my bank account directly. So I'm going to use online bank. Right here, I'm going to put how much I want to withdraw. So I want to withdraw like 7,500 USC. Note that USC simply means United States cents. All right. So the equivalent is going to be 106,922. So I'm going to search for my bank name, GTB, put my account number, then type in my name. You want to always make sure your name is accurate. The name on your Exness account is accurate with the name on your bank account. So this is going to be the conversion rate from United States cent to Naira. Okay. So action has been confirmed, and here's the history. Your transaction history is in progress. So I'm going to click on view history so that you can see the progress. Just remind me later. All right, so here's the withdrawal, 7,500 USC to my online bank. So I'm going to take you straight to my bank account so that you can see for yourself. I want you to observe the time, 7:01. All right, 7:01. So we're going to go straight to my bank account so that you can see for yourself how long it took for the money to arrive. So this is my GTB bank account, and that's a notification for the credit alerts. So I'm just going to refresh this page right now. Boom, that's the money. It's arrived. So I just want you to see that Exness is beautiful. It doesn't take time for withdrawal. This is the money we just withdraw right now. You can see the time, 7:02. Within 1 minute, it arrived my bank account. Okay, now I'm going to take you straight to my MT4 so that you can also see for yourself where I withdrew this money from. So as you can see, I still have 1,009 going on, and this is the withdrawal that I just made, 7,500 USC. Okay, so this is for you guys to know that BB Gold Miner is actually doing a good job. So in case you want to try out BB Gold Miner for yourself to know if it's really working or not, this is an opportunity you don't want to miss. I'm taking 5 more people. I said 10 people for this month if you watched my last video. Now I have 5 more slots for 5 more people. So what's the next step? Go straight to the description of this video. Hit the very first link on it. Create a free Exness account. After doing that, I want you to chat me up on Telegram and tell me, Tim, I have created my account and I'm ready. And that will guide you on the next thing to do, of which is to fund your Exness account. Once your account is funded, all I need is your MT4 login. Once I get you connected to BB Gold Miner, you join the winning team. Remember, I said it's absolutely free to join BB Gold Miner for this month. 5 more people and the slot for this month is over. So don't waste time. Get started today. Let's make money from Forex together.